Good morning. So I am filming today. We're gonna go to class. I am a pre-med student at IU, so I have to go to one of my classes today. My first class is on Zoom. This class I have to go to, it is raining outside, so that sucks, but I am then gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna go pick up some supplies, and we're gonna cook dinner at my sister's apartment. I've never done like a cook with me type of video, and I feel like that'll be like a little bit fun because I live in the dorms. I am a sophomore. I am a residential assistant, so that's why I do not have a kitchen. I'm making penne alla vodka. I gotta figure out if Jada has vodka because I cannot buy it. I just need it for the cooking. So if you guys watched my last vlog, I just found out yesterday that my exam grade was graded wrong, and I actually got 10 points more than they graded it for. So I actually got an 87 instead of a 77, and I'm really glad that they handed them back, or I would have never known. So I feel like that's gonna motivate me this week because it was really hard to be motivated after I got such like a, it's not a bad score, but it was a bad score for how much I studied. That's why I was like so unmotivated. I also wanted to include, I just got back from spring break and I'm trying to set new habits. So this is my list of habits that I created on my notes. To be better, I just want to be like a better version of myself and feel better. I haven't been feeling like the greatest, so that is like me trying to be better, trying to be more motivated. So I'm gonna go on my 30-minute walk today at the gym because it's raining, and I feel like I'll just feel so much better after. I have like 2 hours till my next class. I'm gonna eat and do some homework assignments so I don't have to do any after my class and I can just go to the gym. I just finished half of the assignment that I needed, so I turned in that quiz that I was taking, if you guys saw. I'm going to make my lunch, which I got this yesterday. This microwave meal. I'm trying to be healthier. Packaged meals I don't feel like are healthier, but we'll see. I do not want to walk. It is raining so much. But we're reading this book. Oh my gosh, this book kills me. This lady wrote this book, and like the intro chapter is like, if you're reading this, that means I'm not here, like that means I died of cancer, and that this book will only be published if I like pass away from cancer. So she has passed, and she's talking about like her life. She grew up blind in China, and then she somehow managed to do that and go to Harvard and law school, and then she ended up getting colon cancer in her 40s, I think, maybe 30s. And I have just been crying over this book. Like, I was in the Kim resource library and I was like crying because I was reading this book and I was just so sad. And I am sad about this book, like, but it's such a beautiful story. Like, I recommend reading it. It's a very easy read. Too much for me. But I'm gonna eat this now.
I just switched from the Dreamland baby sleep sack to the Kite baby one because at that point I feel like Colt was like more chubby, like with the brush.
So I wanted to tell you guys about what I learned about in class today. First, I wanted to say it's so windy and I had that thing happen where your umbrella goes like inside out and it was really embarrassing, but it's fine. But anyways, I went to class today. We were reading that book that I told you about. So we were talking in class about it today and just some cool points that were made. Like, I just love this class. It's called Failure and How You Can Learn From It. And so far we've had a lot of guest speakers, and something that we always talk about is like all these people have had success stories from their failure. Like, we don't get to hear from people that like literally failed at what they want to do and then they never like succeeded from it or never succeeded past it. And so it was so interesting to hear her story, as she obviously passed away. So like, this is her story after she didn't beat cancer. So it's like, is death a failure? Like, is death the ultimate failure? Like, we were just kind of talking about that. Sorry, it's raining. But also, it's the fact of like, what is your belief in it? Because like, if you believe that everything good only happens on earth, then I feel like it would be the ultimate failure to die. But also, like, as a Christian, I believe that like heaven is so much better than earth, and I'm not saying it's a success to die, but it's definitely not a failure to me to like pass, because I know what is gonna be coming to me after that. So it was just a really interesting conversation. And then we watched this documentary on Netflix. It's called Losers, and we learned about Michael Bent, I think was his name, and he was a boxer, and his dad like forced him into boxing like very abusively. He ended up getting this injury that he couldn't go box anymore, and it was like, I was so relieved to hear that I couldn't box, because then I finally had a reason why I couldn't box. And so to him, like, that was a success that he got that injury that stopped his career. But like, to his dad, that's like the ultimate failure that could have happened. So I thought that was so interesting. Like, failure can be so different to so many people, kind of like a failure storyline but with a better twist. So I'm hoping to have a little productive time. I'm gonna work out and shower and hit Target. So that is the end of my story. Hey. Hey, you. No. Can you see him? So I am going to bed. I took a melatonin probably an hour ago, and I'm just feeling like really tired, and I don't want to do any more homework today, and I don't have to, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna get up early tomorrow morning and get a head start on it because I don't have class till later in the morning, so that'll be really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's a little different. I try to give you guys some different content. Sometimes I feel like I'm filming the same things over and over and over again, so if you ever feel bored, actually don't comment that you feel bored because that'll make me sad, but be like, hey, let's do a different vlog, because I feel like I'm doing the same vlogs over and over again. Give me some validation in that. But if you guys want to see different videos, please let me know, because I want to make content for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.